So me and Mom are up really early this morning shelling, and my first one I found was a little sand dollar. So it's gonna be a good day today. It's pretty windy this morning, but I got my hood, my sweatshirt on, so it's really not too bad out here. We're thinking about heading in, maybe getting some donuts or something to eat. And yeah, we worked out pretty well. Each of us got some sand dollars and some shells to give some people, so very successful shelling day. So we're in the donut place. We're getting them to make us some donuts. We picked out our toppings, and yeah, so switch to them making our donuts.
Oh yeah. Oh, that's so beautiful.
Tom!
Taylor.
You're on video.
Hey.
Hey.
I got online. There's
So,
and everywhere from.
what are y'all doing today?
Talking about puzzles.
Talking about puzzles.
You're talking about this puzzle, which is awesome.
Liberty puzzles.
Yeah.
I think we might think about them for the store. What do
You
think?
should. I think you should.
What's that?
Alright, so we just got our donuts. So here's the reveal. Ooh. Look at all those. So since it's so chilly outside, we are going for a drive. Not sure where we're going. We're just gonna drive and see where it takes us. So we have made it to Venice Beach. This is where we have found ourselves. It's not too crowded. There's like nobody here, but stop and go to the bathroom and maybe check out the beach. There's not many people out here because it's a little chilly. Someone made a giant circle of shells. The sand isn't as white as it is on Anna Maria. There's Mom. Hey, Mom. Made it back to the house. I think we're going to get ready for dinner. Are we meeting Tom and Marlene?
I told her that I was going to change clothes.
Right now?
You know, you can take a shower and then come.
Oh! Alright. I am going to need to edit because I haven't even started today's vlog. That needs to be done. Yeah, that's gonna need to be done. So these are the sand dollars that I found this morning. Found 5 of them. I don't know if that'll focus. 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 There we go.
Hello, we have both fans right out front.
Okay, sorry, I'll just stay in here.
So we just made it to Waterfront. Oh dear, oh dear. Alright, Waterfront. We're sitting on this cute little booth here. Hey, say hey. We got pillows and stuff, and it's kind of cute. They got cool fans up here, and they got a fish tank over there. So yeah, they have a ladder at their bar. They have a library ladder at their bar so that they can get top shelf drinks. Let's see if he's gonna go back up there. Oh, he's just gonna move it out of the way. Alright, so I got shrimp and grits. Papa got fried shrimp, Granny got crab cakes, oh my goodness. And Daddy got the portobello pasta. And well, hers hasn't come yet, but she got this. She got fried shrimp as well. Oh my goodness. Oh, here it is.
And then Russell Hatch.
Yes, thank you.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you.
And we got Brussels sprout hash because why not?
Oh yeah.
We just got back from dinner. It was amazing. I think we're just gonna kind of chill out. I think we're so full, none of us can do anything. So I might edit this vlog because I still haven't edited that yet because I've been doing stuff all day.